Another porch pirate. Bold move, dude. But he messed with the wrong house. The owner chased him down and took it back. Bet he won't try that again. "2:42 a.m. and this guy thinks he's invited? Always lock your doors. You never know who's out there." Here we go again. Another porch pirate in action. Guess he thought it was up for grabs. Lock your doors, grab your packages fast. These thieves aren't waiting around. And there she goes. Grabs the package, turns and runs like she's in a relay race. Guess patience isn't her thing. Stay alert, folks. Porch pirates move fast. All right, here we go. Grabs the package like a pro. But wait, what is he doing now? Seriously? Not only does he steal, but he also leaves a gift behind. Unbelievable. Lock your doors, hide your packages, and maybe get a pressure washer too. Here we go again. Another trespasser just casually walking in like he owns the place. No knock, no reason, just straight onto someone's property. This is exactly why security cameras are a must. You never know who's lurking around. Stay alert, folks. And just like that, another porch pirate in action. Hood up, head down, moving fast. Clearly not their first time. It takes just seconds for them to steal something you've been waiting days for. There he goes. Lock your deliveries down, pirate people. Making a run for it. No hesitation, no shame, just grab and dash. This is why security cameras and delivery locks are a must. Stay alert, folks. This guy didn't even hesitate, walked right up and tried to get in. No knocking, no reason to be there. Always lock your doors, people. You never know who might be testing them. Not only did this guy steal a package, but he also had the nerve to peek inside. What was he looking for? Another opportunity. Stay alert, secure your packages, and always keep those blinds closed. We work hard to bring you the latest and most shocking doorbell camera footage. If you want to stay updated on real incidents happening around, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Your support helps us keep these stories coming.